Hi, me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day, I was trying to make a vector pattern fill, and it was skewing it. And I was hoping somebody would chime in, and they did. And it makes life easier. So I just made this pattern, which is what I call an endless pattern, because if we set our nudge factor on 8 inches and make a duplicate of this, the dots fill up. These are all equal. So I just took an 8x. So the person that chimed in, what I was doing, the lady had sent me an oblong box. I don't think I still have it. And it was skewing it. Well, the person chimed in and said it has to be a perfect square for this to work. So we're going to go to Window. So if you make something, make it in a square. Docker's Properties, and go to Fills, and go to Vector Fills, and you can have 4x4, which is going to put it 4x4 inch squares. So there's going to be 4 of them. And we're going to go down here. We're going to go from source file, and I called it Poly 2 the other day. I called it Polyfill 1. And voila, you've got a endless pattern that you could use for anything. You know, you could go back and make it 8x8 and just have the 1. You know, we'll make it 8. Well, it does it automatically because it knows it has to be a square. Go to Poly 2, and look at that. You filled it in. I'm pretty impressed, and I really think that viewer, you know, you could have it I guess you could have it as big as you want it, and it's going to fill it up. Let's just try it. As long as it's a square, let's hold down the rectangle or the control button and make it a square, and go vector fill, and we'll make them 4x4. Well, we better make this divisible by 4. So let's make them 24, and let's go new source, polyfill 2, and voila. That's pretty cool. So I very much thank that viewer or subscriber for giving me that tip. This way we all learn. And that's in there, I guess, for the next time. I had to keep searching for it. I'm sure there's a way to save it in there. And I don't ever use polyfill. You know, maybe you could do it just from the workspace. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.